Duke Park, Cardiff, on an absolutely beautiful Shrove Tuesday, Pancake Tuesday, and this is to be the scene of the Cardiff Heat in the first ever national pancake racing competition organised by a food firm. Well, similar scenes are going on in 19 other cities in Britain, and at the end of it all the winners' times will be telephoned to a central steward's office in London, and then we shall know the national winner. Did you make this yourself?
Yes, you made them this morning before you came out.
How are you going to toss it during the race? It looks to me as if it might be stuck to the bottom.
I put a little salt on the bottom of the frying pan, hoping that I'll be able to toss it like better as I go along.
That's the trick,
yes.
Isn't it? Well, let's see you toss it.
Whoops.
I think you'll have to do better than that at speed. Let's talk to someone else over here. Do you think you're going to last the pace of this race, 100 yards dash?
Oh, I think I will, yes. I won't win. I don't think I'll win, but I think I'll last the pace.
Are you good at tossing pancakes?
Yes, I think I am.
Come on, let's see you. Oh, that's a beaut. Oh, very nice. Very professional. Thank you. Did you cook this yourself? Oh, it looks very nice and round. What are the ingredients? Tell me a man.
4 ounces of flour, 1 egg, half a pint of milk, and a pinch of salt.
Good.
And a tablespoon of oil in the batter to make it nice and tender when it's eaten.
Lovely.
It'll need to be that after this treatment.
Good luck in the race. Well, some of the competitors have been eliminated in the heats, and now we're just waiting for the final to start. It's a 100 yards dash down this path from the Castle Mews. 5 of them in the final. An early casualty. Toss the pancakes once at the start. They have to toss again at the halfway mark, and this is where some of the competitors in the heaps were unlucky and dropped their pancakes. And I think the winner is going to be between Powder Pants on the left and the left. Oh, it's a tremendous struggle. 3, it'll be a photo, I think. Well, Mrs. June Mace, the winner of Whitchurch Cardiff. That was a terrific final dash.
Thank you.
How do you feel now?
Oh, marvellous. I love doing anything like this. Home for my husband for tea.
I'd like to present you with the frying pan, which we're going to keep for a year. Also, a cheque for £5. Thank you. And a hamper. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.